Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a junk journal haul that I found at an estate sale today, and it was the last day of the sale, so of course I got 50% off everything. And I just thought this was amazing because this place, evidently the owners of the house were antique dealers, so they had all kinds of fun antiques throughout the whole house. So I found all these vintage fabrics here, and this whole bunch here she gave to me for $1. And then I found this package. It was tagged 4, but of course it was 2, but it has a bunch of game So in this package, this was $2 for all of these, and they are score pads for different games. This is a word games book, and then there were 2 of these called Giotto, but they haven't been used, so I thought that was awesome. And I'm not sure when they were from, but they look pretty old. And then I found this invoice book. Super cool. Evidently, it was from the Custom Restorations Whole House. Well, actually, that was the address. That must have been their store name. But this was the pad that they used at one point in time. So I thought that was cool. I found these. They're kind of like lottery pieces. So it's like a pad of those lick and stick kind of, well, I guess they're tags. I don't know what they're for. They look like they're price tags for stuff. So that's pretty neat. And then I found this Parker Brothers automobile card game, and I thought this would be great for my travelers, my travel themed junk journals coming up. But it just has a bunch of really cool cards. So that was awesome. And then I found this set. It's 3 fascinating games for 20 guests. I haven't opened it up yet. Of course, there's the creepy clowns on the front, but oh, those are cool. Look at those old. Very cool. So those would be fun in some junk journals. And then there's this package of doilies. It's all different patterns, and that was 50 cents with 20 or half off that. I found this for a friend if she wants it, because she collects Star Wars stuff. So this was from 1980 when this originally came out. So, and then I found a couple books, and these are the last 2 things that I picked up. So this one is The White Bunny and Its Magic Nose. It's in pretty bad shape, but I use these. It's from 1945, but I'll use these in junk journals. So, and it was 50 cents. As well as this one, The Golden Book of Science. Thought this was pretty cool. This one I can use in travel themed, because it talks about different places around the world, and then just other stuff like if I do botanical theme and animal theme. There's lots of stuff in there and really cool illustrations. And this book is from 1956. So that's what I have for you today. I hope you liked this haul. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe. And I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.